Hello everyone and welcome to the 7th session of the Learning the Star Python tutorial. In this part we will be addressing the first program problem we posed in the previous session, which involved a question about the if statement. The question asks you to choose the oldest and youngest person from among three names, Jack, James and Fred. Okay, let's make the variable Jack, James and Fred. We will define three variables named Jack, James, and Fred. Now, to determine oldest person, we need to use several if statements and compare them pairwise. For this, we will we will also use nested if statement. In the first step, we will ask the question in our if statement: if Jack is older than James or not. Okay, let's write it. Jack, James. Next, in that if we write if Jack is older than Fred or not. If these two statements is true, we print Jack is the oldest. Okay. Now, we be a one if outer and say, right, if Jack is younger than Fred, then print Fred is the oldest. Okay, now, for the next if James is older than Jack. This is one of the possibilities. Jack. Okay. And then if James is older than Fred, print James is the oldest. Now, come one if back if. Let's make the code right. Okay. If Fred older than James. Now print Fred is the oldest. Okay. Now, let's run the code. Jack is 10 years old, James is 15, and Fred is 29. Let's run the code. Wait. Okay, the code has run and none of the options is true. Let's see why. In the first line is not run. Here that's run. James is. Oh, we make a mistake here. Okay, let's run it again. Oh, another mistake. Let's make them right. Okay, as you see, James is the oldest. Now let's change that to Fred is the oldest. Now, as you can see, the code is complete and running well. Now, a question that arises is how does Python know when our if statement is finished and we should exit it? Python pays attention to the indentation from the beginning of the line to determine when a statement ends and when a statement continues. Now, friends, to better understand the concept, we will move on another concept called else. This concept means that if a statement doesn't happen and its condition is not met, the comment inside the else will be executed. Now, friends, we can significantly shorten the code written for the previous session exercise by using the else element. Let's try it. We can put here And else we can also put here and else. We can also put here and else. Okay, now let's run it. As you see, the code is running through. For more practice and to solidify the basic concept of if, I've also considered another exercise. In this exercise, the question is as follows. We receive three sides A, B, and C, which are the three sides of a triangle, and we ask the user for type of triangle. For guidance, we have three types of triangle, and I just want them. For the more exercise, if you want, you can also tell that the three ABC are triangle or not by using the from. Okay, which is optional. Who wants to can do it or not. Until the next station, which is tomorrow. Goodbye and have a nice day.